Hello, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you. Today I'm going to show you how to open a milk bottle. Usually these are paper bottle, 1 liter, a box you can say, without splitting any milk out. You see there's a primary lid, and when you open it there's a secondary lid. You have to pull it out. So the problem we have sometimes is when we pull this out, when we open it, some amount of milk from inside the box comes out, splits out, which is a waste, and I hate wasting food. So that's why I'm going to show you how to open this box without splitting a single drop of milk. So the mistake we do sometimes is we hold it here in the down portion or the middle portion strongly, then we pull it out. And so you have to think according to physics. When you pull this thing upward, there's a slight momentum activating in the upward direction, which makes the milk inside move slight bit of upward, and there's a force, a huge number of force being active for a small period of time, which makes the milk come outward. So what we'll do, it will neutralize it. When we pull this out, there will be a momentum upward. We cannot deny it. So what we would do, instead of holding it in the middle or in the downward section, we would put our hand on the top of the box and we would pressurize it downward. This hand will give pressure on the box in the downward direction, and with our left hand we would pull it out. So what will happen is, when we pull it out, this upward momentum will be somewhat neutralized by this downward force, which will stabilize the milk inside the box. So let's see here. I'd open it. You see, it's open without splitting a single drop of milk. So here, what we do now, I take some of the milk and I'll drink it. So thank you for today. I hope you learn the technique. Many people drink this box milk, 1 liter milk from super shops, but don't know how to open it exactly without splitting few drops of milk. So I hope this video finds interesting to you. Hopefully you'll learn what I'm trying to teach. Use the knowledge of physics and don't waste milk. Bye bye now.